Hi, it's Randy Rolfe from the Institute for Creative Solutions, sharing foundational concepts about vibrant health through natural living. Today, I want to talk about diet and depression connection. The diet can have a huge effect on whether we feel depressed or not. And we're offering medications and counseling to people, but rarely do we actually talk about diet, even though a lot of people look for it online to see if diet might help with their feelings of depression. Depression is usually caused by poor diet plus some emotional stress, ongoing chronic stress, and poor diet prevents the brain from doing what it needs to do to keep your thoughts clear, give you hope and solutions and problem solving that can help you through a stressful period and end the bad effects of chronic stress. So it's really important to look at your diet and the same things that help with every other imbalance in the body, mind or body. The same kind of diet helps with with depression. And that diet is real food and eating according to your body's needs. So when you wake up in the first hour or two, not a whole lot of sugar or stimulants, but real food, some protein foods, eggs or ham or nuts and seeds and oats that have B vitamins in them. That's crucial for mental health. The B vitamins are often missing. The RDA usually points out that a lot of people are low on their B vitamins, especially if they've given up on a lot of whole foods and especially animal foods that are very rich in the B vitamins. So that's very important to have that protein in the morning before you try to stimulate yourself with sugar or caffeine or chocolate or a whole bunch of starchy cereals. The next thing is particularly the vitamin B6, and in combination with the mineral magnesium, it's involved in so many areas of the body, energy production, but also brain function. And it tends to normalize a whole lot of different chemical reactions so that your body can have the energy and the mental clarity it needs. Then there's phosphatidylserine, which has been used for ADHD with kids, but it works with adults too, to really normalize their brain function. So sleep's important, staying hydrated is important, and of course you can get into a vicious cycle if you're depressed. You don't feel like eating right, and you in the movies you see it all the time. They cover their room with snack foods and candies and ice cream with a million different additives in it, and chips all over the place. So it can be a vicious circle. But if you realize that, okay, if I can't throw off this stress and this depression, then maybe my brain needs some nourishment and go for real foods. Try to avoid the sugars and the refined white flour products, the baked goods and the pastas, and avoid all those long ingredient lists, because those are all chemicals and they affect every cell in your body, including your brain. And it's just an extra burden that's not going to help you get out of depression. So that's it for today. Thanks.